Introducing the Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Wine Master Walnut Wood, the perfect companion for wine lovers, sommeliers, and gourmet enthusiasts. Crafted with elegant walnut wood handles and legendary Swiss precision, this premium multi-tool is designed to elevate every wine experience. At its core is an extra-long 5-coil corkscrew, specially engineered to help prevent cork breakage and ensure smooth, effortless uncorking. The innovative combination tool features a professional 2-step lever, making cork removal simple and efficient, while the integrated bottle opener adds extra versatility. A dedicated wavy-edged foil cutter cleanly removes bottle seals, allowing you to prepare your favorite wines with confidence and style. But the Wine Master is more than just a wine tool. It also features a large locking blade, perfect for slicing cheese, fruit, or other delicacies that complement a fine bottle of wine. Compact and easy to carry, it measures just 130 millimeters in length and weighs only 117 grams, making it ideal for dinners, picnics, wine tastings, and travel. A practical key ring and elegant gift box complete the package. Combining a corkscrew, foil cutter, 2-step lever, bottle opener, and locking blade in one beautifully crafted design, the Victorinox Wine Master Walnut Wood delivers everything you need for unforgettable wine moments. Victorinox Wine Master, where Swiss craftsmanship meets the art of fine wine.